Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
First, connect the Zkteco device to power and to your network using Ethernet or USB. Ensure the device shows online status and time is correct. Next, press Menu and enter User Management to begin adding users. Verify you have an available user ID number and a clear username ready. Choose the enrollment type such as fingerprint, card, password, or face before enrolling. Confirm the administrator password if prompted. Keep a notebook with a signed ID to avoid. Select New User, then enter a numeric user ID and the user's full name. Choose the enrollment method like fingerprint, card, password, or face depending on the device model. For fingerprint, prompt the user to scan the same finger 3 times to capture 3 templates. If using card, present the card once to record the card ID on the device. For password, enter a numeric code and confirm it. Assign the user to an access level or group for scheduling and permissions. After enrollment, save the user record on the device and exit the menu. Synchronize the updated user list to your PC using USB, Ethernet, or ZK software like ZK Access or ZK Time. Next, test the new user immediately by asking them to authenticate with their fingerprint, card, or password. Verify the device grants access and records a successful log entry. Finally, monitor attendance or access logs in the software and check device storage to ensure sufficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.